guys, we are doing section 1.9, which is page 35, GCF and LCM. We're going to just focus on the GCF first. Sometimes I think if they throw GCF and LCM at you together, it can be a little confusing. So we're going to find the GCF of 18 and 56. So let's remember how to do this. Pull out any prime factors that you have. So I pulled out a 2 out of 18. I pulled out a 3 out of 9. So I get 2 times 3 squared. Now 56. I'm going to pull out a 2 and then I get, let's see, 8, 2, 14, 2, 7, 7, 1. Okay, so I get 2 cubed times 7. Now, to find the greatest common factor, I'm going to look at what I have in both numbers. And the only thing that's common is the 2. Notice the 3 is not common and the 7 is not common. I'm going to look at my exponents. Anytime there's just a 2 there, we know the exponent is 1. Looking at my exponents, I'm going to take the least exponent because the greatest common factor is the highest number that's common. If I took 2 to the 3, 2 to the 3 is not common with this number, but 2 to the 1 is common with this number. Let me show you why. 2 to the 3 means 2 to the 1 times 2 to the 1 times 2 to the 1 times 7. That's what this number is. So this and this are common. So the greatest common factor for 18 and 56 is 2. Okay, let's do 720 and 840. Okay, so take out a 2 out of 720. I'm going to get 3, 6, 0. Take out a 2, I'm going to get 1, 8, 0. Take out a 2, I'll get 9, 0. Take out a 2, I get this. Take out a 5, I get 9. Take out a 3, I get 3. Take out a 3, I get 1. So let's count up. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2 to the 4th times 3 squared times 5. Now I'm going to do 840 over here. 2, I'm left with 4, 2, 0. 2, 2, 1, 0. 2, left with 105. 5, left with 21. 3, left with 7. 7, left with 1. What do I got? 2 cubed times 3 times 5 times 7. Greatest common factor. I'm going to look at my numbers that are common. My 2 is common, my 3 is common, and my 5 is common. So my greatest common factor is the ones that are common with the least exponent. So 2 to the 3 and 2 to the 4, I have to go with 2 to the 3 because 2 to the 3 is 8, 2 to the 4 is 16. 8's a factor of this, 16 is a factor of this. 8 is a factor of this, but 16 is not a factor of that. You have to go with the least exponent for greatest common factor. It's like opposite. It's kind of weird. I look at 3, my exponent is 1. I look at 3 over here, my exponent is 2. Which one are we going to go with? We're going to go with the one with the least exponent, 3 to the 1. My 5, same exponent, so I can keep it. So my GCF of 720 and 840 is whatever this number is multiplied out. 2 to the 3rd is 8. 2 times 2 is 4 times 2 is 8 times 3 times 5. 8 times 3 is 24 times 5, 10, 11, 12. My GCF of these two numbers is 120. Let me just look at my book and make sure that's the right answer. Yep, that's the right answer. I only want you to do the problems with GCF, okay? So you're going to do page 38, numbers 1 through 6. Then you're going to do 13 and 14, just the GCF. And that's it. That's all I want you to do right now, okay? Have a good day.